This is a twin boom plane that I built using the wing from a Bixler that I crashed last summer. The fuselage on this plane is 17 inches. It was 20 inches, but I cut 3 inches off the nose to get the CG right. The total length of the plane with the boom is 34 inches, and then the height is 3 inches, and then it's 4 inches wide. The wingspan on this plane is around 52 inches. I cut the tips off because it's going to fly a little bit faster than what it did before. I'm using the FreeSky 2.4 gigahertz for control, and then I'm also using 5.8 gigahertz for video. I'm going to be flying it with the Mobius. And also I have the Sony 700 TVL camera for FPV live feed. So here's some footage of line of sight flight, and I also have some FPV footage at the end. Thanks for watching.